Jeff Heenan here with the Landroid 154. Let me do a quick review after a few weeks of having this. So this is the Landroid 154, the L model. It's designed for up to a half-acre lawn. Now I have a quarter-acre lawn out there and it's been doing a great job. I've been running it about 2 hours a day, maybe 5 days a week when it's not raining out, and it's doing a great job. Lawns never look better. So these use the standard Worx tool battery. This one ships with a 4-amp battery. You can get bigger ones. I don't know if it makes any sense. You know, you're gonna get a couple hours of mowing out of this battery, but you probably want to just let the mower run for an hour at a time, because that'll give you about 50% battery life left, and send it back to charge. It'll probably make the batteries last a lot longer. So this one has a rain sensor here, where if it's out mowing and it starts raining, it's going to send it back to the dock for charging. What I've noticed is, what's important is if it's rained the day before and the lawn's wet, you can have problems with it going out of bounds. So basically, I've automated it so if we didn't have any rain in the last 6 hours, it'll go out. Otherwise, it will stay in the dock and go out the next time. So this one has a GPS module. It's secured underneath, and you get a 2-year subscription with it when you buy it. So it's basically like Find My iPhone. It'll tell you location of the device if someone steals it. I don't know if it's helpful. This was the only one available when I went to order, so I got the GPS anyway. I probably wouldn't have paid extra if I had the choice. You know, if someone steals it, I don't know if you're gonna be able to recover it, but I'm not worried about it in my area. In this area here, you can add an ultrasonic module that'll basically see objects in the yard and turn around. Now, if you have a lot of objects like, you know, kids' toys and things out in the yard that this thing's gonna bump into, then that might be good for you. I don't really need it. If it does hit an object, it's gonna hit the bumper and turn around and go in the other direction. It's not gonna hurt anything. It just may save time if you have a lot of objects to get that ultrasonic module on there. I also picked up the garage for the Landroid. This keeps it out of the weather, keeps the rain and sun off of it. You know, the sun hitting the batteries kind of in the summer, so this is nice. It keeps it a little bit better. The Landroid itself is fully waterproof though. And then you have this charging adapter you have to plug into an outlet somewhere. Now, if you have a lot of trees like this one, you can run the boundary wire around the tree in a clockwise motion, and then run the boundary wires back to the edge right next to each other. That'll create a zone around the tree that the Landroid won't bump into. So pretty easy to do if you have a set up like this. So you're gonna have to run the boundary wire around your whole property. That's how this thing works. It sees the boundary wire almost like a GPS, so it's not just bouncing off it, but it knows where it is in your yard, so it can divide up into different sections if you wanted to, and do a bunch of different things like that. But in general, it works great. You can see even when it's wet like this, the wheels may slip a little, but it'll find its way back onto the path. So again, pretty happy with this thing. It's working in all situations. I think a lot of people are going to be replacing their push lawnmowers with these soon. So that's my review of the Landroid 154 Model L. You know, this thing's working really great. It's a game changer. If you have a small flat lawn like I do, you're never gonna need to mow it again. I'll put a link below where you can purchase this. If you have any questions, please post in the comments. And remember to like and subscribe for more help with Wi-Fi and tech products.